Hello children, welcome back to the class. Are you ready for the class? Okay. We are going to learn English Standard 3 Term 1 Unit 2 The Insects. The Insects. In this we have already seen a prose, a poem. Today we are going to see a supplementary reader. Before going to the topic, look at this picture, dear children. Can you tell me what you see in this picture? Yes, a boy, butterflies, flowers, net. Very good. So based on this boy and the butterfly, we are going to learn a supplementary reader, the boy and the butterfly. The boy and the butterfly. Shall we start now? Okay. Here is a boy. His name is Sam. What's his name? Sam. Okay. Now, come on, read with me. Sam is a good boy. So, Sam is a good boy. He likes to help. One day, Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. Sam said, I will cut the cover to help the butterfly. Sam's grandpa said, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. So what happened? Sam is a good boy and he always likes to help others. அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்கிறது பிடிக்கும். One day, Sam saw a butterfly in a cover. So what happened? He saw a butterfly hidden inside a cover. Cover na wrap. It is called wrap or hide. தமிழ்ல மூடுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. உள்ள மூடி இருக்கிறது. So one day what he saw a butterfly. ஒரு butterfly வந்து ஒரு மூடப்பட்ட ஒரு இலைக்குள்ள உள்ள இருக்குது. Sam said, I will cut the cover to help the butterfly. So what Sam said? He will help the butterfly. So Sam என்ன ஆசைப்பட்டான்? அந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளைக்கு உதவி செய்யணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டான். அதனால் அவன் என்ன பண்ணான்? அதோட இலைகளை வெட்டிட்டான். Sam's grandpa said, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. Grandpa-na tata. So Sam's grandpa said, no, let it come. He will come out of his own. You don't cut the leaves. ஸோ நீ அந்த இலைகளை வெட்டாத அது தன்னாலே வெளியே வரட்டும், தானே அது வெளியே வரட்டும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னாங்க. Shall we read once again? Sam is a good boy. He likes to help. One day, Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. Sam said, I will cut the cover to help the butterfly. Sam's grandpa said, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. So what we learn from this first paragraph? He is a good boy. He likes to help others. So like that you should also be a good boy and good girl, and you should also help others when they need. And you should listen one more thing, that if grandpa is saying something, we should listen to that. பெரியவங்க சொல்லும்போது அது என்னங்கிறதையும் கேட்டுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Now let's go to the next paragraph. But Sam cuts the cover to help the fly. What happened? Without listening to grandpa, Sam cut the cover and he helped the butterfly to fly. So Sam என்ன பண்ணா? தாத்தா சொன்னதை கேட்காம அந்த இலைகளை வெட்டிட்டு அதை பறக்கிறதுக்கு உதவி செஞ்சான். The fly comes out, but it is not able to fly away. So what happened? After cutting that leaf, the butterfly came out, but it can't fly. அதால பறக்க முடியல. வெட்டினதுக்கப்புறம் அது வெளியே வந்துருச்சு, ஆனால் அதால பறக்க முடியல. The next day, Sam sees it on the same rock. Rock means a big stone. பெரிய கல்லு, பாறை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So what happened? Next day, Sam sees a butterfly on the same rock. அதால பறக்க முடியல. அந்த பாறை மேலே அப்படியே இருக்குது. Sam asked, why is the butterfly on the rock? Butterfly ஏன் இது மேலே இருக்குது? Why it is there on the rock? Why couldn't it fly? அது ஏன் பறக்கல? Grandpa said, only if it cuts the cover on its own, it will fly. So grandpa said, you cut the leaf so it is unable to fly. If it cut the leaf of its own, then only it can fly. அது எப்போ தன்னாலே அதை வெட்டிட்டு வெளியே வருதோ அப்பதான் அதெல்லாம் பறக்க முடியும். Sam said, sorry grandpa, I will never do this again. So now Sam realized the mistakes. அவன் வந்து தன்னோட தவறுகளை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டான். ஸோ அவங்க கிராண்ட்பா கிட்ட என்ன பண்ணுறான், சாரி கேட்குறான், மன்னிச்சிருங்க, நான் தெரியாமல் செய்துட்டு இதை மாதிரி செய்ய மாட்டேன். ஸோ த நாலேஜ் வி கெட் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் ஸ்டோரிஸ், என்ன புரியுது நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஸ்டோரிலேருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we should listen to our grandparents. Not only grandparents, our elders, whoever it may be, father, mother, whoever it may be, we should listen to them and we should obey the words which they say. நம்ம வந்து பெரியவங்க சொல்கிறத கண்டிப்பாக கேட்கணும். அவங்க சொல்கிறதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு விஷயம் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும். நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாத பட்சத்தில் தான் அவங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க. we should listen that carefully. See now, if Sam would have listened to his grandfather, the butterfly would have come out of its own and it would have fly. Now because he didn't listen to grandpa, he cut the leaves. Now the butterfly can't able to fly. So do you understand, dear children, what we should do? We should always obey our elders. Okay. What was the name of the boy? Yes, Sam. Very good, dear children. Okay. Is he a good boy or bad boy? Yes, he is a good boy. What he loves to do? He loves to help others. He loves to help others. Now we will start doing the book exercises. The first question is, circle the correct word. So you should look at this picture and circle the correct word. So what is Sam doing there? Cuts or eats? Is he cutting or eating? Yes, he is cutting the cover. So cuts. Tick in cuts. Second, what insect is this? Butterfly or snail? Yes, it's a butterfly. This is a butterfly. Now question number 2. Choose and complete the sentences. So to choose the answer from the boxes given there and you should complete the sentence. First one, Sam likes to dash. Cut, help, rock. So what he loves to do? He likes to help others. H-E-L-P, help. Sam saw it on the dash. So where did Sam sees the butterfly? Yes, on the rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Grandpa said not to dash. So what grandpa said? Not to cut the leaves. So C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. Now check your answers, dear children. I have written there. Check that now. Okay. Now we'll move to the next Roman letter. Shall we start? Okay. Write the names of the insects. So what you should do? You should look at the insects and write the spellings given there in the box. What is the first one? Yes, it's a spider. Do you remember? Yes, it's a spider. Say the spelling of spider. Yes. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Okay. Now what is the second insect? Yes, it's a bumblebee. Bumblebee. B-U-M-B-L-E. Bumble. B-E-E. B. Bumblebee. Now what is the last one? Housefly. H-O-U-S-E-F-L-Y. Housefly. Now we'll go to the next Roman letter. Tick the correct one. So all this is based on the whole unit. Dragonfly is dash. Red or blue? Do you remember the lesson, the proud dragonfly? Yes. What was the color of the dragonfly? Yes, it's blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Ant walks with its dash. Wings or legs. So how did the ant walks? Ant எப்படி நடக்கும்? Wings வச்சா கால் வச்சா leg ரெக்கையா காலா? Yes, it's a legs. So it walks with its legs. L-E-G-S, legs. So tick in legs. Third one, the insects live near the dash, sea or pond. So where did the insects live? Near the sea or pond? Ara illa kolama? Pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Fourth one, the tongue of the chameleon is dash, sticky, smooth. So how was the tongue of the chameleon? அந்த பச்சையோட நாக்கு எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? ஸ்டிக்கி ஆர் ஸ்மூத்? ஒட்டக்கூடியதா இல்லை ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக ஸ்மூத்தாக இருந்துச்சா? மெல்லிஸ்? எஸ், இட்ஸ் ஸ்டிக்கி. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. Tick in sticky. Now last one, the boy cuts the cover to help the dash. So Sam cut the cover of what? Butterfly or beetle? Yes, it's a butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Hope you all understood the story and also the book exercises. Now before that, check your answers, dear children. I have written everything there. Check it. Hope you all enjoyed the class. See you soon in my next video. Thank you, children. Bye bye.